nche bedi kuku hu nkomo na yene honorable ya Frimpong Ado MP for Manso Edubia atwetwe nkomo is on the line. Okay, honorable, good morning.
Good morning.
Apomu ye de
Adumo ye
Adum Nimpaibo ye hu ye pa. Honorable Sir, former Deputy Agric Minister and of course a member of the Food and Agriculture Committee of Parliament. Honorable, Cocoa Board, quickly. Omo atete wonu maketua so mpanimfo no executive management any senior staff. Is it enough to help na yetumi solve the cocoa sector problem no?
The Nhyira fan. We call it Sadu Mogo, what you for the opportunity I to any amount in our castle. When I take her announcement,
Nhyira fan.
And I'm a Kai, Chama, JJ Goles, Ebe Kutu, President Liman.
See,
now, I say revolution, visa.
oh, sir.
And two over, you see, that go for a 2 peso. A 2 peso, so be sharp. If you buy book of Simuna, maybe I bet you something there, you come in this year, if we say, a 2 peso. Mother, and you could be naive. Sika, you can want them. And yes, I will pay champagne, I'm 20% and 30%, you know, and every compensatory side, you know, and the before now, I bet you cook for money, including myself. And yet, can we?
Nhyira fan.
But they are getting a month in Yenya 5 million Ghana cedis, which is about old 50 billion old cedis, and 8 months you bet me bear 40 million as PR no cano. We a bit to cushion a canon in Omanome.
But so Oman Catro a Canada holiday.
A billions there, about 32 billion.
And yet, Canada government, you see, all the time, yeah, you guys should not lay emphasis on Sakana because every regime there you say Sakasi. And see, I don't know a legacy debt. And I tell you, because we inherited assets, now I inherited liabilities. So, you can't know. Now, Kuku, 200,000 hectares. Yamana Yinkitiana na Umba Betin. I know they say Yanka was no what you want them. So,
sir, Muja Bibisa.
Into Uni Ghana Hanumo.
And so almost Munya race, auntie. I am Mama.
And I make a say, if you are sitting say, a bicycle. Now, when you be away, but you go for and to from Panau, the Uncle for Kakan. Or Undam Krumana, who are watching the movie. Both of Kunya bias because before we are now about with elections, now we see a cancer, a tongue of us who would know we have some folk. They say, Cocoa farmers now almost 7,000, almost a Kufa the year was some partner, and they almost say, imaginable. No more say, 3,001 when they order better to Kakano, but 3,001 when they Kufa the Diano. And Ometiama, so what is happening?
Said they are making excuses with exchange rate then and today.
Exchange rate, you know. You see, any country, what is so manage economy? Now, only on the
Nhyira fan.
Now, I say export side. We will collapse your economy. I don't think America. You see, when your currency becomes very expensive against other currencies, I want to you are not competitive. And see, when you manage Ghana, your primary products Nana exporting in Ghana, echo in raw forms. You never value addition biao. And see, a corner, a one or more and the Bank of Ghana. That can send now what doing your best 14 cities. May have you say a 10 cities near the amount. Bet me also have about 3 months to pay. Work is going to mean your market. And see, that is the situation you want to see. Your exports a best offer.
But
a car industry, no. So, a problem now, Abano. Let us tackle it from the proper perspective. And yes, sir, 10%, 20% pay you. Abano saying, any other do such stage you take. I cannot 2 billion now. As they are saying, 24 now, and I'm So, why were they able to pay the producer price? They were able to pay. And see, the wound me in Chia, and found a cabinet at home.
Nhyira
FM. First of all, we have technical minds. Brains are the new cuckoo tone. We are cocoa bosses here, so we are the bunny. Cocoa bosses here. There could be said, Uma trading in cocoa for years. Umu Hefa. They do graphics. The whole director of that social cocoa marketing company. Kono ko say am for no way. And no did new to abaja se bi omu yin ko for crowd within no di ko for abasom no matter cocoa. So the CEO is new. That is Cocoa CEO is new. And some of his cocoa is new. And then cocoa marketing company so better for say they are more but no more is new. And the marketing also was a professional expertise. Sana what marketing is. It's over the bomb. Now, almost a workers here. Now, almost share the volatility of the cocoa industry. The cost so now perform. Now, ever former, it is a film. Almost share that. Almost no more than that. Almost start trending in a trend analysis. Now, the money miss out. On what basis? And almost determine the producer price of cocoa now. Almost announce here. 3,625. What business on what basis the mass aboard?
Utie ato force na. I read that explanation on his wall. Na or yes, Cote d'Ivoire for prices no ewo animu kakra echen. Until that time they had to also cushion them with about 400 Ghana cedis. Na no more. He said be almost small girl cocoa no, and that's what they did.
Now, and I make it say the impulse buying.
Nhyira FM.
1 month a price and determine the price of a producer you produce in 1 year. It's in the whole cocoa year. So cocoa year no first now you be no October. Before then no. Now why your forward sales gather? Oh, why your projections here then na sika ubenya e back money mono. What striking average no 70%. Now we are making for. Now what announce it as I know be a cocoa season no. And under no circumstance mystery. More do a continue no. No one can say hey I think bonus show and to me so make so. But your projection now here. Say serious country bar and ka omo mo se cocoa season na ba na sen ko bu nyina ya saku. Because a negligence where and yes, sir, at rental being a two Ghana, say, she be cocoa, and that's a soup to atoma, and no more I say cocoa now, and no, a natural disaster. But this one, a man made, they say the number of for say you make negligence of duty, and I say unprofessional acts of comfort, which cocoa for embed the branch. As I did a bit see that, me, that is my worry. Say, I did a bit see that. And one announce the cocoa price. Say, when you so more announce the cocoa price, no, as a match, you will say April, baby. And most of the time, we don't announce cocoa price at that time. It's unprofessional conduct. And I'm going to do baby. Nhyira announce the cocoa price. No, now what say, send the price no air column. No, what say, I do we bet me edge na say na say e be cost na say be ba form. Who study no over the years. Now when you good price, the friend say be August no when you good price. No upon ukoko na ma omo here kokoo no. It wo to na wo de when you wo nti ko na tipa from krempa and your friend say hedging. For what says no, it's say hedging. What do you seek? It is based on the scanner quantum of money what on wo saka no scanning am magu with them but what on for no bitia. Now, what's why your mathematics no so cocoa we bet number say. Then the minister comes to announce on behalf of the president because cocoa aban dia. Enya private sector ni bi adia. Aban it is a normally president is announce the price. Sanya said there, no, Wasuma, no, their money, a Greek minister. They say, when you could create a Greek ministry or a finance ministry, not to force it. Na be sadi we say nti we the call no on na say o announce nti ono announcer eye omomo ho ye adwuma koko marketing for no ne koko board ne research department bi e ono so koko board ho research department ne koko marketing company no o ma ko say Siamese twins because we information and the feed about women na we ma determine ade so it is uncle for no say when your professionals say one woman ye demand no what chene ade na officer the buy politics so ba we yi obiana would nkofo na be ho no ma and kokokofo na was sacrificing so woman yen discuss issues no dispassionately na nipan say enye assurance be the two koko adwuma no minim how old we were but 1983 some bushfires be by Ghana esi koko florian me papa
Nhyira FM
and Coco, not in seeing that there will be more on President Kofoba the 2000. No, or the new ideas behind the cocoa industry is up again. So, and see, you can't say, now, you should say, a nipa, I asked what they and answer, I can't say, and your more and answer incompetence. Nothing, you lose it out in a big way like this. Now, what's the Kuku for any Kuku can need umano guaranteed price. That price now the man, you know, didn't you find a guaranteed price in the say you can't alter it downwards because a guaranteed price, you find no minimum guaranteed price.
Yes, when you cry,
I said say no winner. And Anya crowd and one caho. One for the ankaho, and one caho. They so because we have projections and sana we determine producer price. To be me argument there cost so no money there. Now I am the yama Ghana kwedumana
Nhyira FM.
But the previous regime, no, why was decision made say no syndicated loan no yen ko pre hu biem because bia na eka economy no nhye dan ko yenti no yen ko pe sa syndicated loan no mfa mo na mum ye bema international traders na ye upfront payment on 2024-2025 crop year no na uma ye upfront payment ansa na beans no ye ready ye de amoma giske na yen say to me aka no ha is it not part of the problem say no so Emma sa trade no almost be feel say no yen talk ntem because e be a born be kofem
unim are hope say ya o ma to fem mu a da won su bi say ho asem are over say how many years na Ghana ye di
okay
now she say ya ye kokon yentumi nya arrangement bi na yen to kokon no ye nya ska wo ahya ne mfa to kokon no why because that made you no cocoa board also. Now always when the question is why can't we raise money to buy cocoa? Not time you rely on foreign banks. Yeah. Maybe you can't pay. Maybe interest na dia e da ho. Say at the end of the day the interest na umbeja kono kwano e ti akomasta. You fit be arrangement fee. And so who be a McMahon board no encourage cocoa board management say look we pay alternative there you be tim just cocoa and see go for the betray we develop modules at the betray na there so mu no you see na go for say situation labor because you just indication Ghana it will never happen because you before say that before you be can syndicate you kwa wunya bi no let's say when Tiakano, what is share records of Ghana and different syndication that. Into what basis now because we were looking at an innovative way. The betting a toko the city and a toko no ha. The cotton dollars never the good bank of Ghana, Ghana bank. You see, you have 1.something billion syndicated loans. In your good bank of Ghana, not your near at the end of the day, no, by January, let's get in answer back to Omo with this kind of man. But yeah, this system me by NPP AFISON, would you be so be on Coco, so mechanical crack? Your international commercial bank be on London. One and next can. Can't pray when we said on better. Na yato Coco no. You guys indicating no. And for so a year was what not a good one. So mechanical one. Because cannot
Muja Bezing. Because Matis a miracle say 500 million, but who committee so? Send a Muja.
For a miracle, I cannot say my politician. I was a former deputy minister. Me say, so who the Ohopa just find out say, not a card and that one as a card out. Second will be something to me. Just find out. And the moment outside the box, now you will say that system is a slave system. So, Busia, now you will mean that young can say the raising Chicano. Look, young Gilo.
Okay.
In foreign exchange. And they all agreed and paid.
But the entire maybe say you are on a committee of parliament and a great committee now will finance it there, but at least the previous briefing no the ubenya atomo na ebese sanokra na the previous year accounts and na mu just ka wumni ade nyina na I think say committee mbenya briefing kakra enti na maybe say how much na muja na wum
only baby me answer na make parliament no me consultant. And under no circumstance, and Adia me too sure of the figure. No, mechano on air. I will not say that.
Okay. Approximate.
Yes.
Alpha was a committee meeting. No.
There be a committee. No amount. No more farmer committee. Government committee. No, and then this one also. So it will not come to the committee.
But it's a money I Ghana Sika. And so, it means NDC MPP.
No, it will go to finance committee.
So you have certain report about it in Parliament.
For now, no.
Next, say Sikebia na ho.
Okay, so see Sikebia na ho.
And you mean American say, "Oh, Parliament no a mo be say you kan budget ya no ma say you know any committee."
You make us say Sikeda ho, but I can say figure now. I won't tell you because I'm not too sure of the actual amount. And that one you are not prepared to take it. We say me say Sikeni ho, and you are emphasizing Sikeni ho. Then it means who are interested was discussing anymore.
No, I'm just asking you a question because we are here to ask the critical question because when you sit
I'm giving you critical answers.
Honorable you are part of a committee in Parliament. We call you parliamentarians you to brief facts. And now we can say Sikabi daho.
Yes.
And now sabi you abua sansa adansi nti wonu afa ade anu de akire. Enti no se wo si Sikabi daho a na mbisa say sika no ne was saying because miracles abuaje kra when the parliament could tell us say you will bear $500 million e wa accounts be more London. And so you in parliament can tell us say you say and you say and you can say when you brief in there fine I will understand you now you dropping
when they tell the politicians said to
me who dey oye no
me make catch now say me need the to miss the figure.
I get you, Honorable. I get you.
Okay, next time, no. That means I will find it next time. But okay, when I have made it clear to you, say there's money there, but I don't have the actual amount. Okay, Honorable, they say you know dinko more than that's why you from the
any Honorable, my wedding come mambe. I get this week and next week, me frewaji figure no. because
I'll do the needful.
Because the figures like this, no, I know who here your parent. You want to cook about the year king. I no figure not ring because I know say debt or can want some ways because very important issues back up say we have to keep that in memory. Mess also be pay figure na my that would be enough for us. Okay. Honorable, you better say no pay.
Now anka president also 50 acre cocoa farm into
so oyo kuku kwani and on this way kuku kwani o 50
me try baby am kuku no
ono de wa ontimi nkyere ho
o kana yenko ho yenko hwe kuku na
sir munyini
uti president issue kase say yaba now who can be now your cocoa farmers in your fish over because no said the idea into Cote d'Ivoire a buono I didn't see now more there also now at the end the yatis now what is the no so what is the not any what they power so if the city has that against the major currencies now Cote d'Ivoire here almost this CFA you know you're high, who convert to high 10 years the end of the year. Then president, I saw Becca will because I did about the cocoa industry, you know, and yes, I statement there saying community.
But say also can be affected or not.
Okay, what be saying? You manage a country running to billions of dollars the GDP. You are managing it. You are the CEO of Ghana. And you are telling me, sir, Mimi Coco Kitwana, or 2 acres, no. Who come home? What? Who come home saying? In what way now come home? And that heat, no, coming, no. Who come? You see, yes, we
Nhyira fan.
We have the feelings of the people, no. Now, what can be not at home? Now, Obia himself now your penny. Now penny crown who pay cry, you don't touch it. Now Baba Catcher and say, also Ukoko until recently, what I said, President Mahama never be like I said Ukoko farm there until and Russell okay.
Sir, Wakaso a farmer, but as to so specify
or farms or the savannah area. Yes. Or Nhyira Park.
Nhyira fan.
But no cuckoo. One can be that. It is a sanity, yeah. Mr. Abewa, many a phobia will say me, means him make us a move with him. The Metimaka Moko Manso. That is all I can say. But, a no crown said, how we are passing, then make us because Obia him say, me, the Shasunino now, also Fantimiana, kind of this car, a command.
Okay.
It is a bra behavior in Breno. And I can walk on one and can no problem. How can I walk as a bra? Jesus Christ. I said, would they Moko Etuchi Ekrumu?
And found
Debbie. Or say he wants to empathize with cocoa farmers because honestly, cocoa farmer is very insensitive. That is very
you see that as insensitive?
Very, very. Because you are the CEO of a country called Ghana.
Nhyira fan.
No, me cocoa farmer and say, me how no, who's winning sa how no. Na aturecha ma to mu na wonso ebi aka pa. Anabraka.
Wow.
How? I mean what many would come kra wo de what the to pa say. And yet insensitivity. Who is CEO of Ghana? All the resources of Ghana, right? They want Pumuni, there was assistant in you determine who should go where to manage it on your behalf.
Nhyira fan.
I messenger secret now one mukra ewusika. Now because also how na kuko kwedi no kobudo also was how no mubia. In fact, and change it crap.
Tinko and Sayana.
Oh, he's my commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces.
Nhyira FM.
On name your mechanic said, say a idea also bet in a bimwa and can cook and can you say no? Because I dangerous, you know, about to whoever obey Obabedi NDC anymore. About to Hamano. Say, on no pan, there's other bimwa and can all place at the first entry, sir, a bonus. I'm telling you.
Okay. Honorable, Mama Nasi.
Because the cost, you see, the collateral, the cost now, a better, Unimpa, Unim, the collateral damage. What try to whoever the next election.
Sir.
Yes.
I know you're there.
You can play with the lives of about 2 million, depending on the cocoa industry, like that too. Unimpa said, negligence and not incompetence and a masadi yaba. Now, Baba can be ama ukofo yamato. You say, oh. Sisi ya Priscana
Nhyira FM.
Now say yaseso no mo de mo nsom ka ne visa me kran so no the kokofo no bi ntime so akame debi see that this is the first of its kind midstream that kokoso ade a wakama the whole world that to say a guaranteed minimum price guaranteed anyway,
all right. Thank you very much. I know wafa hana 1-on-1. Yetimi adi nkomo ye.
Sure.
Right. But that's say Honorable Yalfrin Ponando MP for Manso Edubia and the nene twetwe nkomo no Nhyira 104.5. Ebusia mi twa me wa basisi anafe